Hi everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm showing you my favorite ways to use chives in recipes. So chives are these beautiful little kind of tubes, and they have a little oniony thing going on, which I love, and it's really fabulous to use these in recipes. So let me give you a little close-up of chives. So chives, like I said, are little tubes. It's kind of like bucatini pasta. And the way I like to prepare chives that I find the easiest for recipes are two ways. First, make a little stack and then do a little rough chop. Part of the charm is that when you do this, they go all over your board and all over your kitchen, but hey, whoever said adding flavor to something was going to be easy. But you can see you get these little beautiful tubes, which those are great to add into soups, into salads, into anything. It's also a great garnish. So I'm going to move those out of the way. And then my other favorite way of using chives is a little bit more dramatic looking, which I love. And it's cutting big shards just in half on a diagonal. Whoops, there we go. Cutting one on the diagonal and then piling them up on a finished plated salad. I think that looks really good, and you can see it adds a little bit of architecture and height and drama and all of those good things we love about home cooking. Chives, yum, oniony, I love them. Head over to marcsievers.com where you can learn more about my recipes, entertaining ideas, and my 2 cookbooks. Also, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's be friends. See you next time. Bye.